Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix DoorDash background check issue with simple and practical steps. If your background check is delayed or not going through, first make sure you entered your personal details correctly, including your full name, date of birth, and social security number if required, because even small mistakes can cause delays. Next, check your email regularly for any message from the background check provider and complete any additional verification steps they ask for. After that, give it some time because background checks can take a few days depending on your location and records. Now, if it's taking too long, go to the DoorDash app or website and contact support to request an update on your status. Also, you can contact the background check company directly to see if anything is pending. Finally, make sure you have no missing documents, and once everything is verified, your background check should be approved successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.